Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Webgear Review. I am your host, the Webgear guy, and today I'm going to do something I ain't never done before, and that is a unboxing or an unpackaging video. I received this package in the mail from Richard Mawdsley, and so we're going to open it up and see what Richard sent, okay? So let me see if I can get this baby opened up here. I'm going to take this Mark II United States Navy knife there, and I'm going to open this baby up. This little knife here, I have cleaned many a deer with this thing right here. Okay, I want to be careful so I don't cut nothing. That package is very thick up there. I believe that's a double wrap sack. So let's just take this right here. We'll open this thing up, being real careful. Okay, kind of got that open. We'll go back this way. Let me go in this way. A little more controllable there. There we go. Oh, there we go. He's got this thing wrapped up pretty good. So there we go. So thick because it went in the bottom and hitting two pieces of sack there. But anyway, let's rip this open and see what Richard has sent from across the pond. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is very kind to him. Whoa. Let's see. Oh, wow. Looky there. It's some British P-37, pattern 37, World War II equipment. Looky there. That's a whole set. It's even got the frog on it. Look there. That frog is dated during the war years. That's awesome. Well, thank you, Richard, very much. It's very kind of you. I will be doing a video on this baby right here. I've been looking for some British items, and now I have them, thanks to Richard Mawdsley. Thank you very much.